Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru WRX manual, only way. Begin by adjusting seat and mirrors and position your left foot on the clutch. Then start the engine in neutral, press the clutch fully, and smoothly select first gear while holding the brake. Practice finding the biting point with gentle throttle input, and keep your movements deliberate and calm to build confidence on every shift. Shift smoothly by listening and feeling the engine rather than watching gauges, and anticipate throttle needs a couple of seconds ahead. When upshifting, roll off the throttle, press the clutch, move the shifter, and release the clutch gently while adding a touch of throttle to maintain momentum. For downshifts, blip the throttle while the clutch is in to match revs, which keeps the car balanced and predictable through corners. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a fresh cabin while you learn. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. And now let's get back to the video. On hills, hold the handbrake, find the clutch biting point, then release the handbrake while modulating throttle to climb smoothly without rollback. In traffic, keep the car in gear that suits crawling speed to avoid stalling and reduce clutch slipping. Anticipate stops and starts so you can plan shifts and reduce unnecessary clutch time, which saves wear and keeps the driveline cool and more responsive on long drives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.